time to see what's underneath these awful carpets, whether we've got some hardwood down underneath them, whether it's in good condition, whether we need to sand it, or I don't know, maybe we just have a subfloor there and we need to put a whole new floor in. Let's get these carpets up and get them out of here and we can see what we're dealing with. Feels like they've got some nice underlayment under here, so there are hardwood floors under there. Hopefully they're in good condition. So I want to figure out what we're doing with these floors. We want to make sure that we don't have to sand them because we want to do that before we paint. We don't want to paint and then sand and end up with dust everywhere. So we want to do this in a good order. So we'll get these things out and we're going to start getting some trim pieces off as well. So we're going to do the entire house, get everything out of here. Then we've got a blank slate. We can come in and then start planning what we're going to do. But for this episode, it's going to be a complete demolition. So we're going to start, I think, in this dining area, living room section and see what we've got. I'm going to start in one corner here, pull this carpet up, see what we've got. It's nailed down. I mean, they might be in alright condition. Might do a little bit of touch up on them, or maybe they're going to need sanded. They're kind of a mess actually. Maybe that's why there's carpet down here. They don't look too good. See all this kind of marking down here, there's paint there, there's damage. So these floors are not in the best of conditions, but let's get the carpet out and then we can assess this fully and see, do we have to sand or not? Obviously we have to pull out all these nails, so there's going to be some holes there, and then when we pull these trim pieces off, there's going to be holes there as well that we're going to have to take care of, but let's get everything out first and then we can look at that. Been in the house not very long and I've already cracked my head on this thing twice, so this thing's going to have to go, or I'm going to have to lift it up a little bit. Hurt my dome there. I want to make sure that I don't get a concussion from that.
It is. Like, can the floor hold this weight anywhere in theory?
This living room floor doesn't look too bad. We do have hardwood. It's a little bit orange. Not sure if I'm liking the colour or not. There are staples to get out. You see them here. Got to pull all of these. But once we get all of them out, we can reassess and see what we're dealing with, because they're going to be staples in every single room, because there are carpets in every single room. So we want to get all the carpets out first, and then we can look at the floor and see what we're dealing with.
Oh, that's gross.
So that looks like it must be some kind of...
Weird black stuff underneath the foam pad. It's underneath this carpet in this all-season room. Not too sure what this is. We'll be putting something else over it, so I don't think it's going to cause any problem. 3 season rooms done. All the foam has been left behind. That's where all the staples are, but I'm going to leave them for now because we're going to go and pull every staple in every single room. So we'll have to do this room, pull the staples. This room in here just needs it clean, and then we can work out what we're going to do with the flooring. I don't know if we'll see what's underneath here. Maybe we'll have a look and see if there's any hardwood underneath this vinyl, and then we'll take it from there to decide what we're going to do.
You want to do, Cam?
If we fold it in half, we can slide it down the carpet stairs.
So we're not throwing it out the window?
We'll throw one out the window, Kat, just so you can get it. We'll do it out back so nobody sees.
Okay.
We can send this flying out the window. Yeah.
Oh, this could be much more manageable.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, we can move that now.
Cameron said that if he knew there was this much carpet in the house, that he would have already called a dumpster for today instead of waiting.
Friggin' heavy.
It's a lot of.
It's heavy, man.
It's so much.
Now I know why Americans have hardwood floors everywhere. Carpets suck.
Yeah.
However, we'd like a carpet in our bedroom.
I'm open to that.
Oh, it's not that heavy.
But it's all crusty.
This is disgusting.
Yeah.
It's like those sacks that used to make you jump in at the school sports day. Make you put on like a potato sack. That's what it feels like.
Yeah, it's crusty and gross.
Yeah, who's been in there before you? Which kid who wet his pants was in there before?
Or those slides that used to go down. You know, you get in a little basket
Yeah.
thing. I love how long these are. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I think we broke the carpet.
How can you? Why is this so? Is it made of a piece of really thick cardboard?
Yeah. All right, I'm stuck here.
This falls on me. It's going to stab me. This is like a teenager's boxers.
Oh, Cameron, we can't put that on the video. So I'm pretty sure that all like the handmade sponging and stenciling was something that the homeowners did for fun.
Let's watch it. It's probably going to come flying.
Okay.
Down.
Is it gonna come flying, honey? Is it? Ah! Yep.
I said it would come down. We might go with it. Right. Yeah.
Woo! What did you say, Cam?
Let's go! Some of those carpets were incredibly heavy to get out, but really happy we got them out. Floors don't look that bad, don't look the best, but we'll get all the staples out of them, then we're probably going to sand them. I think it's going to be the best thing. Give them a little bit of sand and then we can refinish them. We do have all the trim pieces around the edge. We're holding the carpet in place. They'll have to come out too. It's going to be a real pain. And then we've got some carpet left like right here that we're going to have to pick up. All the rooms upstairs have been done. You saw us get the carpet down the stairs from that big room. That was a massive relief that it fit down the stairs. We got the carpet out of the stairs. That was kind of challenging. Those staples there, some grip strength. My hands are kind of tired now. And then of the other three bedrooms, yeah, the floors look all right in there, kind of stained. So I think it is going to be the best thing to do is just to give them a sand and then give them a refinish. And then looking at the window treatments, we're going to get all this down and then we'll probably put new window treatments up because I don't like that stuff up there. And then replace the doors as well. But that will all be coming in future videos. So if you did enjoy this video and want to see how we get on transforming this house from the 70s into 2024, make sure you like and subscribe. When the next episode is available, I'll link it right here.